Welcome to JH. Jaxvolt Rejuvenate Face Serum is currently being marketed as a miraculous 5-in-1 skincare solution that promises to fix everything from eye bags and wrinkles to dark spots. It claims to deeply hydrate and transform your skin, but we have to ask, is this a legitimate beauty breakthrough or just another bottle of hope and tap water? Stick around until the end, because the full picture is looking a little bit photoshopped. First, let's talk about the product images on their official website. When we tried to verify them, we noticed something rather embarrassing. Several images appear to be copied directly from the internet. They aren't original photos of the actual product, which raises a pretty obvious question. If the brand is so confident in their formula, why are they using stock photos instead of showing us the real thing? Apparently, hiring a photographer was just too much of a budget buster compared to right-click, save as. Then there are the 5 benefits in one claims. According to the company, this serum can reduce fine lines, improve elasticity, fade dark spots, boost collagen, and nourish your skin all at once. It sounds impressive until you realize that achieving these results usually requires actual science and targeted ingredients. On their website, there's no clear scientific explanation or clinical proof to support any of these grand promises. It's essentially the trust me, bro approach to dermatology. The before and after photos don't fare much better. While they look convincing at first glance, a closer look reveals that these images have also been recycled from various corners of the internet. In fact, these same faces appear on multiple different skincare websites claiming to use different products. It's hard to trust a transformation when the person in the photo has apparently been cured by every brand on the market this month. If you believe these photos, I have a bridge in London I'd like to sell you. Another massive red flag is the statistics mentioned on the site. They boldly claim that 100% of users looked younger and 95% saw fewer wrinkles. However, there is absolutely no explanation of how these numbers were measured, no study details, no references, and no independent data. It's remarkably easy to get a 100% success rate when the only people you're surveying are your own marketing team. Without real evidence, these stats are just creative writing exercises. Finally, we went looking for independent customer reviews on third-party sites like Trustpilot, but we found a whole lot of nothing. A product that is truly popular and effective usually leaves a trail of feedback across the web, but Jaxvolt is a total ghost town. Between the stolen images, unverified claims, and the total lack of transparency, this serum looks more questionable than a gas station sushi platter. Unless you enjoy gambling with your face, you should definitely proceed with caution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you prefer your skincare with a side of actual proof.